So guys, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my page, Baby Solomon African Delicacy. Yeah, so today in my kitchen I am making fried yam with chili and tomato sauce. So look at this yam, I got it at African shop. Could you get the price? This is almost 40 ringgit. 40 ringgit is how much? 40 ringgit is almost 40 ringgit should be more than, maybe 40 ringgit should be around 20 something thousand. Please, can you buy this kind of yam, this pickly yam for 25,000 in Nigeria, just like this? So I beg, when I see what would they pass through here. Can you buy this kind of yam with how much? With almost 20,000 naira. You can get this big one. So like, if I'm not mistaken, 5. Please, my Naija in the house, prove me wrong or right. So let's start by peeling this yam. Yeah, I'm making just a portion of this yam. If you want fried yam, if you want porridge yam, if you want roasted yam, if you want pepper soup yam, DM me. We give you all kinds of yam recipe you can ever imagine here in Malaysia. So let me peel this yam. This is how I chop the yam, because we are making a crunchy fried yam. So I'm going to boil this yam for like 10 minutes before I can start frying it. That's the only way you can get that crunchy fried yam. So I'll add water on it, add some salt, and start boiling it. I love cooking in a very good, very neat environment. So I always cook while I mop and while I clean as well. So while the yam is on fire, I will start preparing my tomato and chili sauce. So after parboiling the yam, I start frying it. So I want to fry it to make it just get that crunchy bite. See,